Our world is changing, and we are changing with it. For a sustainable tomorrow, swift action is needed if we are to reach the global net zero targets by 2050. As one of the world's leading companies in renewable energy, RWE is actively driving forward the energy transition. We are active on 5 continents, have more than 20 years of experience in offshore wind, are dedicated to supporting local communities. We are the #2 offshore player globally and will significantly reduce CO2 emissions, help to decarbonize the industry, boost local economies, create new jobs, and support governments in reaching their climate targets to secure a better tomorrow for the people. We actively shape the future as part of society. Close to our hearts are the environment and wildlife, the people in local communities around the world, and the health and safety of our employees. And we have already achieved a lot. We have installed more than 17 wind farms with a total capacity of around 5 gigawatts worldwide. With every new wind farm, we create several hundreds of direct and indirect local jobs. Together, our offshore wind farms are saving more than 10 million tons of CO2 every year. Every year, we invest millions of euros in harbors, educational programs, local organizations, and much more. But we want to go even further. With its growing green strategy, RWE is investing 50 billion euros gross cash until 2030. Our portfolio in 2030 is powerful and green. 50 gigawatts net installed capacity across green energy technologies. Our offshore installed net capacity will triple by then to 8 gigawatts. With innovative solutions, we are already tackling tomorrow's challenges today. We are proud to give wings to the energy transition.